In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Google Docs and Notes, making your documents more professional and comprehensive. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Google Docs. You can do this by navigating to your internet browser and typing in docs.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the document you're currently working on or want to edit. If it's a new document, you'll just create a blank one by clicking on the blank icon on the start page. And next, once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top menu. Click on the Extensions tab you see there. It's important to note that Google Docs doesn't support Endnotes natively, which is why we need to use a little workaround involving extensions. Once clicked, look for the Add-ons option in the drop-down menu that appears. Selecting add-ons will give you the option to get new add-ons. So click on Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. It's like an app store, but specifically for Google Docs. This is where we'll find the tool we need, an EndNote generator. Once in the marketplace, use the search bar at the top and type in EndNote generator. The extension we're looking for should pop up among the first few results. Keep in mind that there are various tools to choose from, but ensure you are selecting one that suits your needs based on user ratings and reviews. After finding a suitable EndNote generator, click on it and follow the prompts to install it. This might require you to allow certain permissions, which is standard procedure for Google add-ons. Now, once you have the EndNote generator installed, return to your document. Jump back to the Extensions tab one more time. Since you now have the EndNote generator installed, you'll notice it listed under your Extensions menu. Click on it to expand the menu options. You should see an option labeled Run. Click on Run to activate the EndNote generator. The generator will scan through your document, identifying all the footnotes or notes you've noted throughout, and compile them into a comprehensive list of endnotes at the end of your document. This feature is incredibly handy for maintaining a clean and organized document, especially if you're working on academic papers or reports. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added endnotes to your Google Docs document, augmenting its professionalism. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Google Docs experience. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.